Hello, I hope you're all safe and well and coping well in isolation. I thought that as some of you may be missing your skin treatments and massage and just me time and relaxation, and as you're unable to come to me, I will come to you. So I'm going to do a video for you, a little step-by-step guide on how to perform an acupressure point massage on yourself. If you've got somebody else that's willing to do it for you, brilliant, accept the offer. If not, you can perform this on yourself. So I would recommend that you do this either in the bath, dim your lights, put some nice relaxing music on, some candles. You could do it in the bath, you could do it just before bed, or whenever you're just relaxing. It's quite a simple routine to follow. So just use, if you've got something like overnight repair serum, phyto replenish oil, or another serum, or your dermalogical moisturiser, or just a massage medium, whichever products you've got, brilliant. So I'm just going to use my dermalogical soothing additive. So just take a nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, and then apply the product. And then we start pressure point 1. Just trail your eyebrows. Mine are quite blonde at the moment. And then just past the bottom of your eyebrow, you'll feel like a little indentation, a little depression just between the hairline and your eyebrows. Just press gently and release. Press and release. You can do this anything between 3 to 6 times. So I will do this a few times, and this is going to help with reducing headaches and relaxation. The second pressure point is just underneath the eyes, just here. So if you press underneath and just press, it's kind of like just on the top of your cheekbone, about an inch underneath your eye, and this helps to improve clarity. And then we move to the inner eye socket, so just here again you can almost feel like a little dip, and then you just press and release, press and release. This is good for helping to release sinus pressure and headaches and any pain and swelling around the eyes. And then we just drain that out to the edge. And then we're going to press inside the eye socket, just under the bone. Again, you might feel a slight indentation. Just press. For some people this can be quite painful, so obviously just use the pressure that you can take. And then if you just move along the brow bone slightly, again you'll feel another little indentation. Okay, and then just smooth that. And then just in the middle of your eyebrows, just slide up to the middle of the forehead, and then just gently press here. This is called the third eye, and this is helps to calm the mind. Again, just sort of 3 to 6 times. Okay, and then if you go to the side of your mouth, let me just press on the side of your mouth. This is going to help with rejuvenating the face and with muscle toning. So just press here. And then just on between the middle of your nose and the top of your lip, just in here, if we just press along this point here, this helps with calming the spirit. And And then finally we've finished just on the centre crease between your lower lip and your chin, and this one helps with any hormonal imbalance. And then if you just inhale, exhale, and then we can just slide and finish at the temples again. Ta-da! You've just performed your acupressure point massage on yourself. I hope you enjoyed that, and stay safe, and we'll speak soon. Bye!